Annoyed by shorts dominating your YouTube? Let's take back control of your feed. First, try a quick refresh. Close the YouTube app completely, wait a moment, and reopen it. A simple reload can sometimes remove the short shelf. Next, engage with content you want to see. Watch and like longer videos from your favorite channels. This helps YouTube understand your preferences. Actively tell YouTube you're not interested in shorts. Tap the three dots next to a shorts video and select not interested. Use the search bar to your advantage. Search for specific channels or topics you enjoy to direct your browsing. While searching, use the filter. Filter your video length to long. This will exclude the shorts from the filter results. Prioritize your subscriptions feed. Watching content from subscribed creators ensures a feed based on your existing choices. For a more aggressive approach, explore third-party YouTube apps. Many offer customization options, including the ability to completely block shorts. By using these techniques, you can minimize shorts and enjoy YouTube experience tailored to your interests. Happy viewing!